mother flipping deal. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I know I'm looking ridiculous. I'm actually outside barbecuing for my first time. My man is in there about to take a shower. That's what y'all hear. Okay, so y'all, this is the same hair. It has been like 4 days since I washed it. It's been like this. I've been wearing wigs, but now I am going to try to Bantu knot it. This is all gonna happen in one day, y'all. I'm about to Bantu knot my hair while I'm cooking and doing all of that, and hopefully by 7 o'clock it's ready. You know what I'm saying? I actually watched Ambrosia. She did this video, I think like a couple years ago, and she Bantu knotted her hair, like I guess in the morning, and then later on that day she took it down. So hopefully that works for me. Let's see, y'all. But y'all already know I have this moisturizer in my hair right now. I might add just a little bit more. I don't want to add too much because I want my hair to dry. And I have some coconut oil in my hair. Those are on 2 products. Oh, and I have some grease in my scalp. This tea tree grease. I don't know if it's still in there, y'all, because I haven't reapplied any of the products. So I have to unbraid my hair. Maybe I should do this off camera so it won't take so long, because I actually need to charge my battery. Y'all, can y'all believe I'm barbecuing? Like, I was like, I'm tired of asking him to barbecue. You know, sometimes he don't feel like it. And, you know, and when I want some barbecue, I want some barbecue. So your girl learned today. And I did not know it was so freaking easy. Like, it's not that hard, ladies. I know some of y'all probably out there, y'all already barbecue, and I'm late. But, okay, I need a clip. All right, y'all. So, now, her hair is thicker than mine, so I'm trying to see, like, how many Bantu knots I'm gonna put right here. I guess I'll split this in half and put 2. Like, my hair's not gonna look like hers because her hair is like much thicker than mine. I don't want to put any more product on my hair, y'all, because it is still moisturized. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water, just a little, just a little, just a little. Y'all, what y'all think? Y'all think I should put a little bit more of this? Just a tiny bit. That much, y'all. Not much at all. Get those ends. Make sure it's nice and combed out. Yeah, my hair is nice and detangled still. Thank you, Jesus. And so all we're gonna do, y'all, is 2-strand twist it up. I was gonna do a 3-strand twist, but I don't have time for that, y'all. I'm gonna twist it up, 2-strand twist it, and then Bantu knot it. Twist it all the way to the end. And then, y'all, this is how I do mine. I twist, I twist, I twist, and I keep twisting until it's tautly twisted all the way to the end, okay? Then, y'all, it's my son. Then I twirl it on around there, nice and taut, all the way around. Just like that. That's it, y'all. That's it. A little bit of water. A little dabbity dab of that cream. And then you apply. Alrighty. Y'all heard about R. Kelly getting jumped in prison The dude who jumped him was a gang member, y'all. And he said that basically the jail people told him that if he did that to R. Kelly within his case that he has, his racketeering case, which is connected to 2 murders, is gonna get some light. Like, he wanted some clout for his case, because I guess he felt like no one was trying to help him or whatever. So he did that. Like, how not smart is that? You assault somebody so you can get less time or get out of jail? That's not smart. And then apparently, allegedly, the jail people let him do it. They sat there and watched him assault R. Kelly and didn't make him stop until he like really injured R. Kelly. So this is all alleged, y'all. All alleged. People are making videos about it, but it is a fact though that R. Kelly did get beat up by that particular person. Just not real sure about all the other stuff that was said. Oh, and y'all, my next video, it's not gonna be natural hair. I'm going to review this wig that I was sent. So yeah, y'all, if you're into wigs, make sure you stay tuned for that. I promise y'all, my channel is not gonna turn into a wig channel, but it is gonna be a mixture because I do wear wigs, y'all. I do. I don't want it to seem like, you know, I don't wear wigs. I definitely do. That's why I got hair. Because I wear wigs and I protect what I have. Ooh, my scalp is looking good, baby. Yes, my scalp. Yeah, I know I still have to do a video on my scalp. I know I will do it. It is coming. Boom. Alright, y'all, so this is what it's gonna look like. I'll be back when I'm done with this side, y'all. So yeah, these are the only like, if I do my hair in itty bitty Bantu knots, y'all, it's just not gonna look right. Just because my hair is fine and it's kind of thin, I have to do everything bigger. Twists have to be bigger just so I can have volume. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I don't have that many Bantu knots. I have 2. I'm gonna do 2 in each section. Okay? I'll be back. All right, y'all, we on the last section. Y'all, look how moisturized my hair is. It was still moisturized, y'all. Even though I added just a little tiny bit of the moisturizer, it was still moisturized. My hair loves Cantu coconut curling cream. It just loves it. I don't even know why I strayed away from it, trying to try other things and, you know what I'm saying? Thinking all that stuff was gonna make my hair more moisturized than this one. No, absolutely not. This has been the best moisturizer for my natural hair journey, y'all. Can you believe it? Y'all let me know in the comments what has been the best moisturizer for your natural hair. Yeah, y'all, because when you find something, honey, don't stray away unless it stops working, you know? Don't stray away unless it stops working for you. Y'all, after this, I'm about to go wash my face and fix me a little old drink, and go sit outside and chill, y'all, until my food is ready. Yeah, okay, let me twirl this around. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Oh, twirl it around, twirl it around. Boom. So this is what it looks like. Let me show y'all the back. Y'all see it? Period. Hopefully it come out right, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all give me a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And share my videos everywhere, y'all. And I'll be back with the styling portion. Help me, Lord. Okay. So let's go ahead and start taking it down. Yes, honey, it worked. It worked. Oh my God, I can't believe it. It's literally the same day, y'all. It is literally the same day. I have never done that before. I always have to let my hair dry overnight. But since I didn't like soak it with water, I guess I don't need to. I'm gonna start doing that, y'all. For real, for real. Instead of, you know, thinking I'm gonna have to throw on a wig, I can just do my hair. Oh, it's so soft. It is so soft, y'all. I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it. Y'all hear some noise? It's my little sunski. There we go. I can't believe I have definition. Wow. And it's just so soft. That's what that Bantu coconut curling cream does for your hair. It makes it so soft, y'all. Yes, it's moisturized. Oh, the curls are so fluffy. I love me a good fluffy curl, y'all. We're about to go do this video, y'all. The food is ready. Pretty much is ready. When I'm done with doing my hair, we're gonna take it off the pit, y'all. Pork belly, oh my God, we're having pork belly sliders. Go to my Yummy Bites TV channel if y'all wanna see that video. Ooh, yes, honey. This might be cute, I don't know. We'll see. This one's still a little tiny bit like damp-ish. I wouldn't even say damp. It, you know, it just has a little tad bit of, you know, dampness. Oh, wow. Y'all look. It's so pretty, I love it. I kind of don't even want to mess with it. Isn't that cute? Oh my God, y'all know I hate a middle part. Can I do something with it though? No, I don't want to take a chance because every time I edit my videos and I say, I'm just gonna wear this middle part, I hate it. I freaking hate it. So, what we're gonna do, I don't know y'all, what y'all think? Yeah, y'all, I didn't have any plans how I wanted to wear my hair today. at all. I just knew it was gonna be in some Bantu knots. Oh my God, these curls are so pretty. Y'all look up close. So bouncy and soft. Y'all, let me see. Yeah, I love me a side number. We're gonna keep it like right here. I usually do it like a deep part on the side, but we'll just keep it like that. Just like that. Show all our nice gray hairs. Show all our nice gray hairs. I am loving it. Y'all let me know if y'all love this. Let me know. Alright. Want it judged up, you know. Ambrosia, how did your girl do? How did I do? Yes, y'all, I do need my ends cut. My ends will probably look a whole lot better if they were cut. But unfortunately. Let me show y'all the back. Y'all already know the back is probably gonna look a pretty mess. Y'all, that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, all of that good stuff, y'all. And I'll be back with another video. I already have something in mind. Oh, I have a review I have to do, so I'll be back with that. All right, stay tuned. Peace.